Hello Internet. Today we're gonna be fixing this Nintendo Switch Lite. The problem of this light is the screen. You can see there's some lines, and we're gonna be replacing the screen. Some tools we're gonna be using for this is a tri-bit screwdriver, shaped like that. This will be 1.5 millimeters. Then of course we have here a cross type screwdriver, and also that will be 1.5 millimeters. Next up, we're going to be opening up your switch. I'm not going to show how I unscrewed this. For the back part, I use the tri-bit screwdriver, and for the bottom and top part, I use the cross type screwdriver. So the first thing, before we open up the switch, you need to turn it off and remove the SD card. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna pry open it. I'm gonna be using this tool right here, just a simple prying tool, and maybe this one in some parts too. So my trick is I'm gonna pry it here on the speaker part, and just gonna try to, yeah, there you go. So the thing will crack open. So all you have to do is to work your way around it until you fully open up the cover. Okay, just pry it like that, little by little. There you go, till you get out. After removing the back cover, now we're going to remove the back plate. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove the power. It's underneath this cable, so we need to remove this, and then we're gonna flip out the power cable. Now we're gonna remove the heatsink. I am using a cross-type screwdriver for this, and also the screws holding the heatsink also holds the board underneath it. Next up is removing the game card reader. For the fan, you just need to remove the screws, the 3 of them, and then also the flex cable with the same procedure shown in this video. I am removing the screen connector right now. Be careful when you're doing this. You might loosen some pins of the FTC connector and you need to replace that. For the main board, just remove the following screws and gently lifting it off. Okay, some tips here. You have to be careful with this one. There's like a small spring right here. You might lose that, you might bounce off a bit. Okay, so remove. I'm gonna tape the following button so it won't fall off while I'm fixing it. And I'm gonna tape this one as well. Next up, we're gonna remove the case. Next thing is that we're gonna remove the screen. All you need to do is to use a prying tool. Make sure that there are no dust or marks at the back of the touchscreen. After you place everything up, all you need to do is just reverse process, put the board in, screw it back in, and also the pad here, and we're gonna give it a try. Okay, before we install both of these, we're gonna do a short test. We're gonna connect the power cable. Okay, before we install the blower or the fan and also the card reader, we're just gonna test it first. I'm gonna turn it on. There you have it, guys. So that's it. We're just gonna install the fan and the card reader on this one, and this should be good to go. The touchscreen is responding perfectly, and that is how you replace the screen on your Nintendo Switch Lite. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good one.